Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into the feature fast. Open Settings and go to Digital Wellbeing because Focus Mode lives there. Once found, add the Focus Mode tile to Quick Settings so you can launch it quickly. Tap Focus Mode, create a new session, and immediately choose the first apps to block. This prevents interruption from the start. Make choices based on what derails you most, social, games, or messaging, so the block is meaningful right away. Now you refine how Focus behaves. Select which apps are blocked and which are allowed. Those exceptions are critical because they let essential tools work. Once done, set the session length and add a schedule or repeat days to automate Focus. Also configure urgent notifications and priority contacts so important calls or alarms still come through. After saving, test a short session to confirm behavior. Because seeing it run, you launch Focus Mode from Quick Settings or inside Digital Wellbeing. Watch the status icon to confirm it's active. During the session, resist opening blocked apps. If you must, use the prompt to extend or end the session. When finished, end it manually or let the schedule stop it automatically, then review usage stats to reinforce habits. If Focus fails to block apps, make sure battery optimization or app permissions aren't overriding it. If needed, toggle permissions or reboot the phone to reset system behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.